My name is Ceri. I'm a maintenance carpenter on site here. I've been here for 20 years. I've lived here with my family, my son, my wife, as house parents as well. Well, initially I noticed an advert in the local paper to come here for a maintenance carpenter. So I applied for that, and there was quite a few on the interview, but I managed to get the job. It can be quite diverse, the things you're asked to do or have to do within the job. Not knowing what's going to happen day to day, basically, it's not boring. Initially, when we came in to be house parents, it was very frightening because you had at the time to look after 49 students, all teenagers, which is a bit of a job. You basically had to be their parents on site, listen to their problems, sort out their problems, things like repairing hair dryers and things like this, so it was everything and anything. But yeah, good friends we made. We do keep in touch with all over the place. We've got Thailand, China, Russia, and they still sort of contact us and refer to us as mum and dad sometimes. So we get to see them growing up. They've got children, married, so yeah, it never stops really. They come here not knowing what to expect by meeting other cultures and places like that, and they meet people who they may have heard that particular country is this or that, and when they get together and they're mixed in the dorms into different setups, they totally forget all that. It's a UWC and not a collection of people from different countries really. They all become the same. People sort of come here, they do their stuff, and then they go out and they make a difference all over the place. So I think that's brilliant.